How to stay motivated when you feel like giving up. Opening, grab attention. Have you ever felt like giving up? Like no matter how hard you try, nothing seems to work? Maybe you're chasing a dream, working on a goal, or just trying to improve your life, but the results are slow and the obstacles feel endless. I get it. We all hit moments where we question if it's even worth it. But listen to me. This is exactly the moment when you need to push forward, because the greatest breakthroughs happen right after you refuse to quit. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have the mindset and tools to keep going, no matter what. Part 1. Why you feel like giving up. First, let's be real about why you feel this way. Maybe you're not seeing progress fast enough. Maybe you've faced rejection or failure. Or maybe you're just exhausted, mentally and physically. Whatever it is, I need you to understand something. Feeling like giving up is normal, but quitting is a choice. Every successful person you admire has felt the same way at some point. The difference? They didn't stop. Part 2. Change your mindset. Let's shift your perspective. Instead of seeing obstacles as signs to quit, see them as tests. Failure is not the end, it's part of the process. Every setback is a lesson, every mistake is experience. The pain you feel today is shaping you for tomorrow. Nothing worth having comes easy. If it were easy, everyone would do it. Regret is worse than failure. If you quit now, you'll always wonder what could have happened if you had just pushed a little harder. Take a moment right now and remind yourself why you started in the first place. That reason is still valid. Your dream is still possible. Part 3. How to keep going when you feel like giving up. Now let's talk about action. Here's what you can do right now to regain your motivation. 1. Break it down. Big goals can feel overwhelming. Instead of focusing on the entire journey, just focus on the next step. Win the next hour, the next day, one step at a time. 2. Surround yourself with positivity. Watch motivational videos, read success stories, listen to uplifting podcasts. Stay away from negativity, people who doubt you, social media that drains you. Protect your mindset. 3. Visualize your success. Close your eyes and imagine achieving your goal. Feel it, believe it, see yourself winning. The more you visualize success, the more real it becomes in your mind and in your life. 4. Remember, progress is progress. Even if you're moving slowly, you're still moving forward. The only way to truly fail is to stop trying. Part 4. The power of persistence. Let me tell you something. Success isn't about luck. It's about refusing to quit. Think about Thomas Edison. He failed 10,000 times before inventing the light bulb. What if he had given up? Or J.K. Rowling. Her book was rejected 12 times before Harry Potter became a global success. What if your breakthrough is just one more step away? What if the moment you quit is the moment you were about to win? Closing, final motivation. So here's my message to you. Don't give up. Not now, not ever. The struggle you're facing is shaping you. The pain you feel is temporary, but the rewards of persistence last forever. You've come too far to turn back now. Keep going. Your future self is counting on you. Call to action. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more powerful motivation. Let's build a mindset that never quits. Your success is waiting. Go get it. This script is designed to keep viewers engaged and leave them feeling empowered. Do you want any changes in the tone or structure?